Hello everyone, welcome to my page. The topic I am entering now is how to read Vernier caliper. Okay, now this is the Vernier caliper I am teaching you how to read now. Okay, from this Vernier caliper, we have two scales on this Vernier caliper. One of it is main scale and the second one is Vernier scale. We can locate the main scale from down here, okay? From down here. There is a calibration down here. There is a calibration down here where you take the readings of the main scale. Then inside this place is the Vernier scale. There is also a calibration there. That is Vernier scale, all right? Now, if we want to take the diameter of this, for example, we fix here and tight it, okay? And we will now take the reading of the main scale and also the reading of the Vernier scale and add them together. Look at the drawing on board. This is a rough sketch of this equipment, all right? From this diagram on board is a question. The question says, find the reading of this Vernier caliper. Find the reading of this Vernier caliper. From what I've been telling you, here is the main scale. Here is the main scale. Remember, here is the main scale. Then inside here is the Vernier scale, okay? From the main scale now, we start reading it. We first of all take the reading of the main scale by first of all check how the equipment is calibrated. It's calibrated from 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, all in cm, okay? Now, checking these lines under the main scale, we have 0, 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, and so on. So now, taking the reading from the main scale equals to, we now check it 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Now, the line before this Vernier scale, the line we have before this is under 0.4 cm. That is our main scale reading, okay? Now, let us collect Vernier scale. Our Vernier scale is what? We now check any line that is in coincidence with the main scale calibration. We check the first line here. There's no any coincidence. There's no place it touch the main scale. No coincidence here. No coincidence here. You can see no coincidence here. No coincidence here. No coincidence here. No coincidence. Coming to this point, there is coincidence. It is exactly under one of the calibration of the main scale. Okay. So this one that has coincidence with this main scale calibration is the line we will take. Check the calibration now. This is 5, that means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it falls under 8. The coincidence falls under 8, okay? But that 8 now, we have to divide it by 100. The value you get here, you divide it by 100 first before adding it to display. So if we say 8 divided by 100, we now get 0.08 cm. Now the total, that is the total reading of the Vernier caliper now will now be 0.4 plus 0.08 will now be equals to 0.48 cm. That is how to read it, and that is exactly the reading of this Vernier caliper on top. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel or follow me on my Facebook. Thank you so much.